This is a 68.
Yeah.
Where'd you find this thing? That's sick. Charger. Hey, I know you. No way you got a charger. No way.
I got 2 of these.
It's good seeing you.
Good seeing
You
you
got
too.
2 of these?
Yeah, well, I got a 71, a green one also.
Holy, you are the man, eh?
Just like Mopars.
Yeah. So what year is this thing?
68.
This is a 68.
Yeah.
Where'd you find this thing?
I've
Tell
had
me about it.
Like 15 years now.
15 years now?
Yeah.
And this is the first time?
That's the first time you've seen
I've
it
seen
anyways.
it.
Yeah, I drive
Well, you've always had the Barracuda.
I know, well, I drive this all the time, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's got
Fair enough.
paints from like 1986.
Literally this paint
This
right
paint
here.
is from yeah, it's acrylic enamel, and it's like nail polish.
Really?
Right? Yeah, that's how they used to paint them back in the day, right?
It looks brand new.
It's held up well for the.
No way. That
kid
is
you not.
insane.
You can see it like here. I mean, it's got chips and stuff. Right?
Yeah.
But you see the little.
This
like
is
it's nail
original
polish.
paint.
Well, no, it's not.
No, it's not original paint. It's
It was a repaint in about
Yeah,
86, right?
Okay.
It's a 68.
That's fine.
So yeah, it was grandfather owned it. He sold it to his grandson,
Yeah.
and then I got it off of him
Holy.
through a trade, through a deal.
That is crazy. Anything else? Like what's been done to it? Like what's
Well, the kid did the motor. It's got it's a 440.
Yeah.
It's got aluminum heads. It's
Okay.
got a single plane intake. So it's built up quite a bit of horsepower in it.
What's the transmission?
It's a torque plate.
Torque plate?
727. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the rear end.
8 3/4, 355s. It had 391s when I first got it, but they were a little hard on the highway and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I brought it down to 3.
Oh, nice. So it's a
55.
cruiser then.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's about 2,700 on the highway. I just came up to 400. with it,
2700.
so
Okay.
27 RPM.
Fine.
27,
Fair enough.
yeah.
91 octane.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 91 octane.
Yeah.
Wow, this is phenomenal. I
Yeah.
love it.
Those rims are from like 86 too.
Wow.
Yeah. They weigh like 2 pounds. There's no weight.
Really?
To them. Yeah, these things are so light.
And they're from back then.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is like the way it is actually beautiful.
It looks like it came out of the 80s.
That's
right?
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That is it. That was it.
Yeah, exactly, man.
Holy.
Yeah, the only thing I changed was the seats. Because the
Okay.
original seats,
Yeah.
these are out of a BMW, an X6,
Yeah.
and they're fully adjustable and everything, right? Because the original seats for this car, I have them still.
Yeah.
But they're terrible.
It is what it is, right?
They're terrible.
That's not bad.
It's not all fancy.
No, that's.
It was
It's not all fancy,
no,
he
it's not,
says.
It's not fancy.
Well, compared to your Barracuda,
Well, but, yeah, compared to the Cuda, it's not fancy.
how's that thing going?
Great.
Good?
Running beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Fantastic. Just really having good weather to have it out.
Yeah.
I was buzzing around in it the other day.
Well, it's a bit cooler, so like springtime and fall, right?
Yeah. Well, I don't mind the summer in that car.
Yeah, oh,
it
no?
takes the heat, no problem.
Does it have AC?
No.
Just open up the window, eh?
Yeah.
The paint's from the 80s.
Yeah, 86. That's when it was last painted. It's acrylic enamel. That's how they used to paint them back there.
3-inch exhaust all the way back?
No, just 2.5.
2.5?
Yeah.
Okay. So a little bit quieter.
Yeah.
Probably a little bit better on gas, kind of.
Then the Cuda, yeah.
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 You just store it, right?
Yeah, where do you, like in a barn or something?
Oh, yeah, but it's never. No, it stays in a heated storage.
It's heated.
Yeah.
So you don't do any oil coats before the end of the year. You don't have to do anything like that.
No, because I have a lift, right?
Yeah.
So my cars are always on the lift. Like I'm always whatever, doing this, doing that. You know, this car was undercoated though from the factory, right? And it's still got undercoated. Yeah.
Actually, he has a good point. How did you whatever you did to keep this condition, we need to know. We need to make a book.
Yeah.
Like, right? They'll publish
Well,
it.
you don't drive them in the salt, right?
Yeah,
you
yeah,
don't
yeah.
drive them in the wintertime, man.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
just, I mean, you just keep them clean, really.
When do you take it? Like, I know it's May 2-4, so anything. When do you officially? Well, when
Oh, so
April?
the weather, yeah, I was out early April, man, because the weather was so nice, right?
That's brave.
Yeah, but it was
Did
no
you see the
rain.
street sweepers?
I did. I've seen the street.
That's
sweepers,
there you
yeah.
go, right?
Hey, was it last year or 2 years ago? My buddies and I, we were doing a cruise
Yeah.
late in the season. I forget what month it was, but it was kind of late.
Yeah.
And the next thing you know, we're driving along and the road's kind of wet.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And it's like, why is the road wet? Just over the hill, the
Yeah.
guy was putting the brine down. We're driving in.
Oh, the brine.
Yeah, we were driving in
I
brine.
hate that stuff. I hate that stuff.
We all just stopped and got off the road,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
Spun around. It was terrible, man. We just thought it was a wet road. That stuff scares you. That gets into everything. That stuff.
Like, I don't see no rust. You got some competition on cleanliness, man. This guy's pretty clean too.
You need the lift. That helps you. You just you lift them up.
It's there. I'm on at least a mat, but I'm there like.
Can't do that.
I wasn't here last week, no.
71 last week.
Okay, you come every week?
I just moved to Barrie.
You just moved to Barrie?
This,
Okay.
This is my first summer in Barrie, so.
So we'll see you more often,
Yeah,
man.
probably.
There you
yeah.
go.
I'm gonna try and get up there to
Yeah,
August
Highway
nights
11.
up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was always down in Newmarket, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is if all the meets. Highway 11's pretty. That Highway 11 cruisers
Yeah.
are pretty consistent.
Yeah.
Hot August Nights is great.
Is it?
Here, it's pretty consistent. It's every Saturday, no matter what, technically.
Yeah, last weekend it was really busy. I'm surprised, but the weather, people might not.
Yeah,
Right? That's part of the problem.
I'd ask to hear it, but everyone seems skittish about starting their cars.
Where we are, right?
Yeah.
It's not like the,
Well, all these new laws now. A little bit. Oh, so the Chrysler 300, buddy, with 22s. No.
Yeah,
Oh, awesome.
Not like at the Speedway where you just rev the crap out
Yeah,
of it. Right?
yeah.
Are they going to do that again? You think?
That's the one. Barracuda first or no?
Yeah, she said you
Oh.
can have any car, but not this car ever. Like she just loves this car.
Yeah.
It's kind of why I put the seats in it for her.
Right.
She really likes riding in it.
Yeah.
Man, that just warmed up, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. What a great look. Yeah, that's. You're not selling this one. I know that for a fact. You like the 440s, eh?
All of my cars are 440s.
All of them, yeah.
I love 440s. They're good motor. Lots of torque, right?
Yeah.
Tons of torque.
Yeah. Oh, appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you, man.
We'll watch for your videos.
Yeah, for sure.
Love them.
What year's this baby?
69.
69? Nice. With the 340?